Welcome. If you love keeping up with the latest long-form videos on Instagram, you'll want to make sure you never miss an IGTV update. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on IGTV videos updates for Instagram on your phone, so you're always in the loop whenever new content drops. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you can control notifications for all your apps, including Instagram. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Now, look for Instagram in the list. Once you find it, tap to open the Instagram app settings. Inside the Instagram settings, you'll see an option called Notifications. Go ahead and tap on Notifications to manage how and when you receive alerts from Instagram. Within the Notifications menu, you'll notice something called Notification Categories. Tap on this to see all the different types of notifications Instagram can send. Now, scroll through the list until you find the option labeled IGTV. This is where you can control updates specifically for IGTV videos. Finally, you'll see a toggle switch for IGTV videos updates. Make sure this switch is turned on. When it's enabled, you'll receive notifications every time there's a new IGTV video update, so you'll never miss out on the latest uploads from your favorite creators. And that's it. With these quick steps, you've ensured that IGTV video updates will pop up right when they happen. Whether you're following influencers, brands, or friends, you'll always be among the first to know when new IGTV content is available. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might want to stay updated on IGTV videos. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy all the great content waiting for you on Instagram.